Hello everybody. Tonight we're going to do a review of the Holy Stone 911. It's the HS170G Quadcopter. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have a controller. Actually feels pretty good. And here we have the Quadcopter, and it feels pretty durable actually. And there's a little bag here. Some extra propellers, just like a little tool or something. And some cards, and the instruction manual. And the charger for the Quadcopter. So we will charge it, and we will take this thing for a test. Hey everybody, we're back! And I've got a fully charged battery. So let's put that battery in the Quadcopter so we can actually give this thing a test flight. So we'll put the battery into the Quadcopter, and we'll take our controller and turn it on. We plug in the battery. Let it sit still, pair up the controller by pushing up and down, and then set the gyro compass by pushing these on an angle. And now we are ready to fly. Just make sure your cord doesn't get caught in your propellers. And we hit the start button and get the motor spinning, and now we bring it up into the air. And as you can see, it's very, very smooth in the house. And that's it. It flies awesomely. So I think it's very good. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.